Good day, everyone. Welcome to another stressful and I'm not sure what I should say, but it's not exciting. It's still stressful, this one. A stressful episode of G-Blocks Custom. Well, today, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but I think we're going to do some little things so that we can go on with the build. I don't have anything to do. I don't have an engine. I don't have a lot of things. So, just to go on with the build so that I can post something. I've decided that I'm going to put on the clutch bracket, and I'm going to, what else can I do? Yeah, the clutch bracket and yeah, Ashman. Okay, you'll see on this video I had a visitor and I sprayed I did some modifications on the events. So the events, they were black, so I sprayed them gray, and the clutch the car was using the old clutch, so I've swapped it. I've changed it to the latest spec of the clutch pulley. So I've done some little things on the car. So for now, while I'm still doing some savings to buy the engine, I thought let me do this. It's just a little bit of things that I can do so that the build can go on, so that I can post something on YouTube. It's not, I don't want to stay like a long time without posting anything. And I'm grateful, guys. I'm grateful to everyone who's been watching the videos. Thank you. And whoever subscribed, thank you. And if you feel like I did something wrong on the content, tell me what I did wrong. Comment. And if you like the videos, press the like button and comment. And please, those who didn't subscribe, most of my viewers are not subscribed, so please, guys, please subscribe, so that a lot of people an algorithm can share this video, so that it can be seen can be seen by a lot of people. So please, guys. Anyway, today I want to show you how I'm going to do the events and the clutch bracket. The clutch bracket is just that the job is fiddly, so it's for me to tighten the bracket. I had to go under the dashboard, so I couldn't show exactly what I was doing, but I tried to explain a little bit of what I was doing. So guys, please, if I did something wrong, just tell me, hey, on this one you didn't go right, and then on this one you went right. Just like the video and share and subscribe, please, guys. I want the channel to go far, please. And I promise you, I've got a lot of content for you. So for now, while the channel is still growing, please. So guys, enjoy another episode of G-Block Customs. 10 to Bafo. Hey guys, I've got a visitor here. Someone visited me. They've got a nice Golf. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Nice Golf. I'm not sure about the specs. I'm not sure about anything, but this one is a nice one. I'm going to put on the lights. I'm going to use the very same lights, exactly as these ones. This is a nice one. This is a nice Golf, and I like the dashboard. This is what I wanted to do to my dashboard, exactly. The black on gray. This is what I wanted to do, but I didn't get the exact finish. The interior, I wish I can get this one. Even the headliner and the sun visors. Anyone who's got exactly what I'm seeing here right now, please contact me. I can buy, no matter how much you are saying. Even if you say it's expensive, I'm going to buy. Okay, this was sprayed. It's not original black, this one. Okay, which means I can do this myself. Okay. Ngicela nikhipheni lapho ngiyenza ivelocity egolfini yami. Ngibonile ukuthi benzeni. This is not original spec, this one. It was sprayed, this one. Ukuthi be this color. Ah, icho. Angithi mina Joe ngiyachazeka Joe. Ngifuna ukwenza nasemotweni. This one is nice Joe. This one is nice. Just down moya phansi. This one is nice.
Wait a minute.
Bengathi amaratha mara abenga expect ukuthi
Uyathithisa ufaka isikolo baba.
Sizathulisela abantu Joe. Joe, manje Joe is nice.
Uya papa man. Hey, uya speeder man. Hey.
Uyayibona ukuthi into yethu.
Ungadipela this shit.
Alright.
Yeah. They call.
Dimensa Joe ngithe control box izoba ilahlile dimensa. Joe ngenze njani ipili zami nazo ngizenze so? Yese ngipili nami ngizenze so. Is it right mazimnyama? Yeah, nami ngithanda mazimnyama. I like them black. I don't know what you're thinking guys.
Speeder man.
Mtaluban.
Uya papa man. Uya speeder man.
Na indawo yaphuma. Yabona indawo yaphuma manje. Indawo yaphuma manje. Ngithanda le line le mara lehlela nga straight. Le is not sitting straight this one. I like the line but it's not sitting straight. Ayihlalanga straight. Bayibekele phansi. It's supposed to be at least here. The line is supposed to go here at least here. It's not straight even at the bottom. It's supposed to go somewhere here. This is the sunset up. It's nice, Joe. Nice one. Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. Nice and clean, Joe. It is better than the place. I want to manage to do it. You tell me crazy. Yeah, so that is why I'm going to play the game that Takrila. I think you're going to Maragu, I won't go. You don't know what good. For follow steering wheel, I will to eat. I won't difference. You too. Follow steering wheel in Fana. A jockey pay I'm a tiring down at you spray and I'm also. Yeah. They got even shop, baby. It's you, fun. Nala was sprayed in Nala. Good, Joe. I don't want to lie, Joe. It's nice. Yeah. Okay, guys. How are you? I'm putting in the glass bracket. This is what I'm putting in. It's supposed to go here. Yes, I'm sorry for not showing you, but I already drilled the holes. This one goes here. As you can see, it goes here. Then I'm going to go to then there's this. Let me go to check on the golf. What is it that exactly that goes there? Because I don't know what goes there because why is it not going in anymore? Because, oh yeah, it's goes, Ish Marachu, I think I drilled the holes wrong. That's what I'm thinking. But I don't know, I'll check. Let me go check on the golf so that I can see what's going where and what's not going anywhere. What's going where and what's not going where. But these cars are different. Mine had this. Oh, they removed it there and then they moved it somewhere here. So okay, but I understand that. Let me see. This is for the distributor and this is for. Alright, yeah, my wiring is nice. I was checking that side. What is it that I need and what is it that I need? I only need this loom that goes. Then I'm alright. Yeah, I've already drilled the holes and then I'm going to put in the bracket. Don't be surprised, guys. I'm putting this in. I drilled 2 holes there and then there. I'm going to use I made 2 brackets. I made 2 brackets. This one and where is the other one? I was grinding this one, so it was a bit hot, so I was waiting for it to cool down. I made these 2 brackets. The other one goes this other side. Yeah, this one goes on the other side. This one goes on the other side. It was 1 bracket, so I found out on this golf there's this that goes something that's welded here. So I had to cut this one, and this one will go on this side. This one will go on this side. I wanted it to spread the load. So, but now things are not happening the way that I wanted them to. So, okay, things are changed. Actually, I don't have I found this, so I'm going to shoot nice content now, because since I have tripod now and I still need to know how it operates so that I can start using it. So, I'm not alone. I have visitors today, so people are surprised that I'm talking alone, guys. So let me strive on. I'll come back to you.
Come on. Bust the rhyme, Janet Jackson, here we go. One time, baby, just tell me just how you feel. We living it and just giving it to you real, baby, come on. Every time we crossing the borderline, we giving it to you, making you feel fine. Turn the heat up, better believe we gon' shine. Make your body wine, baby, the pleasure is all mine. To my people who be regulating the dance floor, better step to your business and handle yours, how we do it. Making your people just wanna bounce and get busy, because you know that we always hit you off. What you say? You're wondering why you feeling the force. And don't you worry, cause you'll be ready to floss. More heat, cause I always put you on. And blow the spot to the very second I'm gone. Get your groove on. Now that you're tired, I hope your body be cooping, because we're keeping you moving. That's what we're doing, and you know we're gonna make your body wet.
Okay, guys, I've seen this on some other golf. They sprayed it silver, so I want to replicate what they did. So let's see if it can happen.
Everybody scream, yeah. Make your body cream. Make you have wet dreams. What? People seeing you waving your hand high. Hot shit burning and making your ass fry, baby. Come on, give you the shiver that make you quiver while I deliver the shit that'll hit you right in your liver. Always sound scanning, we never leaving you hanging. I'm always doing my thing and my music always be banging. So check it. You know we be always moving the crowd. Type of feeling that make you wanna go play it loud. What up? When we come and hit you best believe you really gon' get you. No matter whatever you wanna flaunt. Cause we be ripping the babies and what you want. Here we go. Painting the picture, we keep it hot in the winter. Now big up my people, you know I'm always with you. Flip mode, we blowing and taking over the planet. Full blast, hitting with Busta Rhymes and Janet, and you know we're gonna make your body wet. Yeah. Gonna make your body scream out. Yeah. Make you think of naughty things. Gonna be on you. What it's gonna be. Yeah. Gonna make your body wet. Gonna make your body scream out. Yeah. Gonna make your body scream. Make you have wet dreams. We're gonna make where? We gonna make your body say yeah. I wanna know where my road dogs is at. I wanna know where my live women is at. We gonna make your body feel well. We gonna make your body say yeah. Everybody with your hand real high. And let me see you all put them up in the sky. Come on, making my niggas to say word up, and making you women to say baby come on, bringing it to you in many ways. We making it, taking you people right through another phase. Come on, we rocking it, baby. That's how we dropping it, baby. There ain't no stopping it, baby. I know we driving you crazy, and then we hit with the greatest of all time. No matter what you do, baby, we gon' shine, and you know we're gonna.
Hey guys, my first subscriber is watching my video on YouTube. My first subscriber. This is my first subscriber.
Nicer. It was not this nice when I got it. It's nicer. You just didn't put primer on it.
This is how the bumper the dashboard turned out, guys. Well, it's nice. I don't know until where I saw it. They say the goal of that was here in the morning. That's where I saw the plan that I should do this. They painted this part here. It was too much, and they painted this one also. So it was too much for me, so I didn't do it. I only left it like this. So this is the final product, guys. I like it. I hope you like it too.
Everything around me free. The money, dollar bill, y'all, cash. Everything around me free.